Why you need the 1% strategy. 1. Capital protection is the key to survival. The primary goal of the 1% strategy is to protect your capital while maximizing your chances of long-term success. Most traders lose because they risk too much per trade, making a few losses catastrophic. This strategy caps your risk at just 1% per trade, meaning even if you experience several losses in a row, your account remains intact. 2. Low risk, high reward setup. In the 1% strategy, every trade is carefully planned to maintain a favorable risk-to-reward ratio, typically 1 to 3, 1 to 5, or 1 to 7. Example, if you risk 1% to gain 5%, a single winning trade can recover several losing trades. Even if you lose 7 out of 10 trades, the 3 winning trades can still make you profitable. 3. Losses are controlled, but wins can be large. A unique feature of this strategy is that your downside is limited to 1% per trade and no more than 3% per week, but your upside can be much larger. Since your reward on a winning trade is often several times your risk, you don't need a high win rate to grow your account. This makes the strategy ideal for professional traders and beginners who want consistent growth without blowing up their accounts. 4. Mental stability and discipline trading is as much about psychology as it is about strategy. The 1% strategy promotes discipline, patience, and consistency, which are crucial traits for any successful trader. You won't feel pressured after a few losses because you've already predefined your maximum risk. This helps you stay calm, focused, and in control. 5. Flexible and scalable. The strategy works across various markets, stocks, forex, crypto, or indices, and can easily be adjusted based on your trading style. As your account grows, your 1% becomes a larger dollar amount, making this approach scalable without increasing your percentage risk. Why it works. Let's break down an example to illustrate the power of this strategy. If you have 10 trades and lose 7 trades with 1%, that's minus 7%. But if you win 3 trades with 1 to 5 risk to reward, that's 15% profit. So the net result would be plus 8% profits. Even though you only won 30% of your trades, you ended up significantly profitable. This is the core advantage of the 1% strategy. Here is another example. Why most traders fail without it. 1. Over-leveraging. Risking more than 1 to 2% per trade leads to quick losses. 2. Emotional decision-making. Without a predefined strategy, traders let emotions dictate their trades. 3. Chasing high win rates. Many traders focus on being right instead of being profitable. This strategy teaches you that it's not about how often you win, but how much you win when you do. Conclusion. The 1% strategy isn't just a trading plan. It's a blueprint for sustainable success. It ensures that your losses are minimal while your potential gains are substantial. By sticking to this strategy, you develop the discipline, patience, and risk management skills necessary to thrive in the markets over the long term. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.